Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Starlink's Battle for Atlas. So it's made by Ubisoft. This is kind of what is their Atlas ship pack. I guess that's what they're calling it, ship pack. Anyway, so this one is the Lancer. There's Imploder and Hakka. So basically, if you buy this from GameStop, it's going to cost you about $20, which is kind of cheap because over here at Walmart it was $24.99 originally, but I got it on clearance for $12.40 cents. So yeah, I looked out. I got like for half price almost. Anyway, so yeah, now. Thing is, I have not seen these at Walmart. I have not seen these at like Myers. I don't know about Best Buy, but probably not. Target, I haven't really seen them. Now I know GameStop has them, and GameStop says that they have an exclusive one, the Cerberus. But what you get in here for about $20 is a ship, a little pilot, and one weapon, which is kind of weird and stupid because why do you only get one weapon? The ship can only have a max of 2 weapons equipped at any given time, yet they only give you one weapon. So yeah. So Hunter Hart is the pilot. Honorable Warrior pierced multiple targets with his ship. Imploder is the one we're going to here take out a group of enemies with a black hole. And Lance is the ship. Intercept fast foes with a performance class ship. So this ship is rated for a performance class. And then you can go to starlinks.com and stuff. So I love the artwork on the bots. It's kind of cool artwork that they do. Kind of close to Transformers, I would have to say. But yeah. So yeah, basically now this is kind of like the trend of things that's coming out. Bring your toys to life. It started with Disney Infinity, then Skylanders. Then after Skylanders, I believe it was Amiibos. Then it was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Mario Morphin Power Rangers. But they were like small little keychain figures that were on like a cell phone app that I believe was only available exclusively only for the Apple phone. So yeah, if you didn't have an Apple product, yeah, those things were useless. And then, you know, after that, there was, I don't know if anyone really knows, but there was a Common Wire series that was kind of like Skylanders and Infinity and Amiibo, kind of similar to that. And no, it didn't have anything to do with the Common Wire Game Boy cards that Common Wire Decay uses, so none of that. And it had to do with now the new Common Wire collector coins. It was actually like kind of like, I guess kind of like Skylander or Amiibo type or Infinity, Disney Infinity figure. And then now we finally get Starlink's figures and ships and weapons and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, let's look at the figure. The figure actually looks kind of cool. He's almost like a samurai, but there's these little balls on his shoulder. He kind of looks like some character from Overwatch. I don't really like how all the circuit boards are really exposed on the back. And then here's the weapon. Now the weapon, the weapon is translucent, and if you do hold to like that little purple crystal, gem, noid, whatever you want to call it, spear, is translucent. So really cool that it's translucent, but again, kind of exposed. I mean, the paint on the weapons are cool. I like how each weapon kind of represents a symbol. Like this one kind of shows like a nebula black hole type of symbol on there, which really represents what weapon base is. Then we have the Lancer, which is E19 SB4. Now, some things that I didn't know about these ships are sometimes their wings can expand. I don't think this one can. This one looks like it's in lock position. Yeah, it is. I know Star Fox is one that was only exclusive to the SWiTCH. His little wings can open and close on both sides. Now, something that all ships can do besides, attaching a weapon. Which way does the weapon go? Well, actually, I don't think it matters, but just showing it over here on the right wing. But something that I didn't notice, you could actually pop wings off and swap wings around. So, yeah, it's like here it is on its little display stand. So let's take this one off. But I was saying, see how those ones could fold down and stuff. So you could take that and swap it up like that, or take this and kind of do something like that. And then of course, you could take the weapons off and swap them around and stuff. It doesn't matter. It's not like saying this weapon can only go on the right wing, this one can only go on the left. It doesn't matter. Hey, if you want, you could buy two of the same one, I believe. So you could go and buy the weapon sets, buy like two of the same weapon set, and have like, hey, I want to have double Hailstorm barrage, or double Gatling guns, or something like that. Which, it's pretty cool and stuff. So let's get this kind of put that together. Take that off. Pop this one out. New character has been popped in. The back always looks the same. Front always looks the same on the little character display stands. Then let's just line it up. Pop the new ship on. And that's how the new ship looks. I really thought that these wings would fold out in the back here. That would have been awesome because, Fox McCloud's, his one can fold up. And then, you can unfold them. So you can have them folded, unfolded. I kind of like to have them open and unfolded, but when you're sitting down, just like on a table, fold the back ones, not back, but bottom ones down, so that it kind of lays flat, because if you have them up, it's not going to lay anywhere. Now the controller handle thing, I liked it. It's kind of like a little display stand. At first I thought it would be hard, wow, you got this big old crunky ship on there, but it's actually lightweight, and it's actually pretty good. And if you don't want to play the game, well, hey, that's a nice little display stand for little ships if you're into ship collecting, spaceships and stuff. So yeah, it's almost turns into a little base, almost like a Gundam base, or I guess like a SH Fiddler or a Tamashi base, or maybe Julia Momoko or Kurobukia Modern Supports, MSG, for like their Flame Ons, Flame On Girl series, Headgear, Mema Device type of things. I know Kurobukia, they got like tons of things going on, and then they got like Star Wars and stuff going on, but yeah, I don't know who makes Armor Corps toys. I think that is Kurobukia, but yeah, like I said, they don't really have any bases for them. Oh yeah, don't grab your footer back here. Always grab your footer like this and pull them out. If you grab it back here, you're gonna snap the base in two from here, the bottom, and the little piece back there. And the guys are not really hard like great. They're like real soft, fuzzy rubber, as you can see. But yep. So this is about 20 bucks at GameStop will get you. Or anywhere else, but I know GameStop's probably going to be like your best bet to pick these up, especially if you want to get the exclusive Cerberus one. So yeah, ship, pirate, weapon. Don't know why they don't give you two weapons, because two weapons could be attached to the wings of the ship, but yeah. So yeah, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.